Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another Apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Apecoin chart, which at the time of this recording has fully maximized our target areas down here in the formation of these wave 4 by giving us a low at around the $4.9 mark, and right now we are seeing a bit of a bounce to the upside in a move that has now given us a break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, and I'm expecting even more explosive moves to the upside to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of these wave 5 right here. And before I give you my next price targets here on the Apecoin chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Apecoin, after making its low at around the $2.5976 mark, we started a massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $4.6 mark, and also completing a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where we also saw this ABC corrective structure fully maximizing the formation of that wave 2 before we started a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, which also fully maximized our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, giving us a peak at around the $6.42 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, we started a corrective structure right here in the formation of this wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that target area is between the $5.2336 mark and the $4.8621 mark, and it is within that red target area that I was expecting to see the low for that fourth wave to the lower side. And having come down into that red target area and fully maximized it, now I'm expecting an explosive move over here in the formation of this wave 5, and for that move to play out, I'm expecting a break above the 20-day MA, and once we break above the 20-day MA, that could trigger another explosive move to the upside to give us a break above the $6 mark, which is now acting as resistance. And once we manage to break above the $6 mark, then I'll be expecting to see a retest of that key area of resistance before we continue pushing even higher to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the high of that wave 3. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $7.6128 mark, and it is within that target area that I'm expecting to see the high for that fifth wave to the upside here on the Apecoin chart. And in the formation of that wave 5, I will also be expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 of the fractal wave fully maximizing the formation of that wave 5 to the upside. And once that happens, then we can term this whole structure to the upside as an even larger Elliot wave count 1 before we can expect a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and I'm expecting that explosive move to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 to fully maximize our target area at around the $7.6 mark in the formation of that wave 5 to start soon. And taking a look at the indicators here on the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour RSI, you can see we are trading at around the 43 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. That is that wave 5. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.